Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel, and today we got a new subscription box. This is from a company called Barrel and Blade. Two things I love. We're going to check out what they sent us right now. Okay, so Barrel and Blade. They are a monthly subscription box service. They have two levels, and the first level is going to be their cheaper, and then the second level, of course, is going to have I think one or two extra items in it. But the pricing comes in at a discount if you do 3, 6, or 12-month durations. So for the level 1 box, you can expect to pay on a 3-month of about $138, a 6-month $278, and $568 on a 12-month. That's for their level 1 box. The level 2 box comes in at a 3-month of $281, a 6-month $571, and on a 12-month $1,151. I did round the change up, and that's it. You can find them at barrelandblade.com. You know how we do stuff. This is the level 2 box. So I was excited to find this box because of the name, Barrel and Blade. How can you go wrong? You know, two things I love. So yeah. Alright, so we got some packing material that is this packing material that is like run through a paper shredder, and you can use this as fire tinder. So yeah, it's not, you know, not wasted. Okay, so they do give you a card, and they do have a little operation number. And then on here they have the contents, but let's just see the difference between the two levels. Let's see, level 1 has 3 items, level 2 has 4. So there you go. Alright, we'll check, we'll see what the difference, what the item that you get shorted in the level 1 box is. So the first thing here, we have a Phoenix E35 version 3.0 flashlight. And it says that this thing is 3,000 lumens, 240 meter beam distance. Wow. Ultra high output. Yeah, I'm definitely going to test this bad boy out. But how long can a thing go? Okay, so apparently to get to here, I'll let you see that right there in the white box. That's giving you a breakdown of the lumen output versus battery consumption. And it's funny because to get to the 3,000 lumens, that's the turbo mode. So if you put the lamp on turbo, it still says you can get 1 hour and 15 minutes out of that. That must be a serious battery. And I wonder if it's a proprietary type battery. It says 21,700 battery. I don't even know what that means. Okay, we will open that and check it out. The next thing we got is a SOG gambit. A curved sheep's foot blade, and it has a little sheath for it. So yeah, little SOG job. Not bad. There's some information if you want to pause that and give it a look. You know, as long as you don't really beat these cheaper knives up, and of course this thing says it's a 7CR 17 MOV steel, which is typical of a lot of the Chinese knives. You're going to see that 7CR 17 MOV, and there's I don't even want to try to guess. There's another designation like that comes from China, that, or I should say, not going to say it comes from China, but a lot of blades that are manufactured in China use that same designation of steel. And technically, if you don't abuse it, and it has, you know, really decent edge retention, and as long as you don't beat it up, way unrealistic things with it, it's going to be a good knife. So yeah. And then we got a Rothko friction baton with sheath, public safety gear. There's the Rothko, and there is a representation of the beat 'em up wand. So yeah, 16-inch long, expandable. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. And it does come with a little sheath. And let's see, how do you deploy it? Is it? Oh, okay. Alright, well, I thought it was going to be something cool. Do you have to unscrew each section of it? Okay, that, you don't have to do that. Let's see. Oh, okay, I got you. That's how that works. Duh. There you go. Ready to beat somebody's butt with that now. There you go. So let's see. All right, you can flick it out. So yeah, that's cool. Come on now. All right. Well, anyway, yeah, there you go. And it comes with this cool little sheath holder for it. It just has a belt loop, a little Velcro up here, then a little, has a thing, a little D-ring on the bottom of it, so you could potentially put some more, you know, stuff on it, I guess. Okay, and we got one more thing. Right? Yeah. All right. Let's see, what is this? All right. What do we have here? Important registration information. Hey, this is from Tacticon. Okay, video before, I did a review of some stuff from a company called Tacticon Armament. This is a product from them, but what is it? Is this a gun mount? Is this a bed mount? Yes. Tacticon bedside holster. Discreetly access your firearm and essentials in a safe manner by your bedside. Made from highly durable ABS material that will stand the test of time. Works on any bed with a box spring and mattress. Features a lip on the insert portion to prevent slipping out. Can accommodate any size firearm and features a flashlight holder, as well as 2 extra holders for magazines, knives, pepper spray, etc. Alright, jamming. So yeah, you just take your box spring, your mattress, slide this in between them, and the weight of the mattress holds this up, you know, like so. And so you can then mount I don't know if this is, I'm assuming this is the intention here to mount a flashlight. But you got some Velcro on here. You got some Velcro pieces. You got one of those, and you got an elastic Velcro piece here on this piece. And you can see kind of how it looks there. And then you got some stuff here on the end with another little Velcro piece. So yeah, so the idea, obviously, is this is on the side of your bed, so you can just reach down and you have access to whatever you can cleverly attach to this bad boy right there. So it's not, you know, on your nightstand, in a drawer, you know, on your nightstand. It's readily accessible right there, hugging the side of your mattress. So yeah, cool. All right, so if you got the level 1 box, what did you not get? Okay, in the level 1 box, the cheaper box, you would have got the baton, you would have got the Tacticon bedside holster, and you would have got the SOG gambit. So the difference separating these two boxes is going to be the flashlight, this thing. So take what you will in the price duration, or for the price difference, you're getting this flashlight. So a level 1 box, I don't have it broke down monthly, but on a 3-month, the level 1 was $138, the level 2 was $281. Now keep in mind that's for 3 months. So what is that? I don't know. But see, I don't know how much this flashlight is though. Actually, does it say how much all this stuff is? Oh, it does. Never mind. Okay, so they say that the baton's 35 bucks. They say that the Tacticon bedside holster is 20 bucks. The gambit is 35 bucks. Wow, man, this light is 88 bucks. But I'm going to tell you what, man, if it puts out 3,000 lumens with a 240 meter throw distance, and it'll do it for an hour and 15 minutes, and this thing doesn't have a battery pack like you're wearing Boba Fett's jetpack, this is a bad little flashlight. But one thing I will say, I wonder how hot this thing gets, because I have some lights that are LED high output, and if you use them, if you turn them on high for more than like just say 2 or 3 minutes, I mean, that thing gets hot. That light gets hot. Whether it's battery draw or, you know, the light itself just trying to put out that many lumens, you know, that LED will get hot. So yeah, anyway, tell me what you think, guys. This is, what is this? Barrel and blade. Yeah, let me know what you think. This is their level 2 box. We got, what, 4 things? Yeah, we got 4 things. Yeah, not too bad. I like the bedside thing. I like the SOG gambit. This, I guess, I'm too old I don't know. I'm not going to beat nobody up with one of these. I'm just going to pull my firearm and do what I got to do. If you threaten me, if you're coming at me to where I need to pull something like this out to use against you, yeah, no. I'm going to handle that. I'm going to handle that business a different way. But yeah. So yeah. Anyway, that's it. Let me know what you think. Thumbs up, thumbs down, whatever. Subscribe to the channel, and we will see you next time. Peace.